Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're into rugged capability, a dash of nostalgia, and trucks that refuse to quit, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into an unsung hero of the off-road world, the Chevy S10 ZR2, specifically the models built from 1994 to 2004. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Now, you might be thinking, an S10? Really? And to that I say absolutely. Because the ZR2 wasn't just any S10. This was Chevrolet's answer to those who wanted a factory-built, go-anywhere compact truck without the custom fabrication headaches. From the moment it rolled off the assembly line, the ZR2 was built differently. What made it so special? Let's start with the stance. The ZR2 had a significantly wider track, a full 3.9 inches wider than a standard S10, thanks to a unique frame and suspension components. This wasn't just for looks, it vastly improved stability and handling off-road. Then there were the massive 31-inch tires, unheard of for a compact truck from the factory back then. And to clear those tires, Chevy gave it a 2-inch suspension lift and a 1-inch body lift. The result? A commanding 9.3 inches of ground clearance, ready to conquer almost anything. But they didn't stop there. The ZR2 boasted heavy-duty suspension components, including beefier front and rear leaf springs, Bilstein gas pressurized shocks, and stronger front differential housing. This wasn't just a marketing package. This was legitimate engineering for serious off-road abuse. It was designed to take a beating and keep on going, a true workhorse built for adventure. Under the hood, the ZR2 typically came with the venerable 4.3-liter Vortec V6. Now, some purists might wish for a V8, but let me tell you, this 4.3 is a powerhouse in its own right. With around 180 to 190 horsepower and 245 pound-feet of torque, it provided plenty of grunt for trail duty, and it's notoriously reliable. We're talking about an engine that can rack up hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. It's a testament to good old American engineering. Inside, the ZR2 was still an S10, meaning a no-frills, functional interior built for durability. But it did offer some nice touches, like sportier seats that held you in place when the going got bumpy, and all the essential controls were right where you needed them. This was a truck built for utility, not luxury, and that's part of its charm. It was a place where you didn't mind getting a little mud on the floor. So why is the ZR2 still relevant today? Beyond the nostalgia, it's about pure, unadulterated capability in a compact package. In an era where trucks are getting bigger and more complex, the ZR2 offers a refreshing return to basics. It's nimble enough for tight trails, tough enough for demanding terrain, and relatively easy to work on. It's the kind of truck you can truly build a bond with, taking it on countless adventures. So if you're thinking about picking one up, and I highly recommend it, here are a few things to keep in mind. Like any vehicle of this age, check for rust, especially on the frame, bed, and rocker panels. The ZR2 specific suspension components can be a bit pricier to replace, so listen for any clunks or squeaks during a test drive. And always check the 4x4 system to make sure it engages smoothly. But here's the best part. The aftermarket support for the S10 platform, and especially the ZR2, is fantastic. Whether you want to add a lift kit, custom bumpers, lockers, or just upgrade the lighting, the possibilities are endless. These trucks are a blank canvas for customization, allowing you to tailor them perfectly to your off-road ambitions. The Chevy S10 ZR2 from 1994 to 2004 is more than just an old truck. It's a statement. It's a testament to factory-built performance and a fantastic platform for off-road enthusiasts. It offers an incredible blend of capability, reliability, and affordability, making it one of the best bangs for your buck in the used truck market. So if you're looking for a compact truck that can truly hold its own when the pavement ends, do yourself a favor and check out the Chevy S10 ZR2. You might just find your next adventure buddy. What are your thoughts on the ZR2? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome truck content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.